Oh, hi guys. So today I'm gonna be doing a little review on these diamond drill bits that I bought on Amazon. It cost me, I'm gonna say, about $10 or $12, and there are 5 bits that come in the set. I already have one in my drill, and today we're gonna be drilling into this very hard porcelain tile here. And I've already done a couple test holes, but I'm going to show you guys how fast these work and how you are supposed to drill into porcelain. So the first thing is to always use water, because keeping the drill bit cool and the porcelain cool will make the drilling a lot easier, and it will also extend the life of the drill bit. So first I'm gonna pour a little water on the tile, just like so, and then we're gonna do a time and see how long it takes to drill into this piece of porcelain tile. So here we go. We're gonna go right here, and you always start at a 45-degree angle, and then okay, so that's how fast these bits will go through porcelain, by just simply adding a little water. And so I'll show you guys. There's my clean hole through the tile. So I'm gonna say it probably took probably 15-20 seconds at the most. So these are definitely well worth it, and I have used the same bit to drill 3 holes already, and it doesn't look any as if there's any wear. If I can focus on this, not very well, but yeah, it doesn't look worn at all. So I think these are a good choice if you're gonna be drilling into porcelain. I wanted to test them on a tile first before I go into the bathroom, because we have some fixtures to be installed in a bathroom, both on the wall and on the floor, and all the tiles are porcelain. So thanks for watching, guys. If you find this video helpful, please go ahead and drop me a like, and do subscribe to my channel. From time to time I post videos there. All right, thank you.